Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Murtala Abdul's Hustle. In this channel, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money with cryptocurrency and affiliate marketing. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to claim up to 6 BNB or I think 5 BNB for free with just your Trust wallet. And in later on video, I'll be making a video on how you can withdraw this BNB if that is possible, guys. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like the video and make sure you hit the post notification to get notified anytime I have another updates, guys. So without wasting your time, let's move into this video, guys. So the thing is, to get the link for this free coin, you have to join my Telegram group, and the link is in the description section. So you can join the Telegram group, because at times you won't be able to copy the address that I'm going to be giving you guys with YouTube when you're on your mobile phone. But on the Telegram group, I'm going to be sharing the link of the address so that you guys can easily claim your free BNB coins. So without wasting your time, let's move into the video. So let's move straight into this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to download Trust Wallet. So the first thing you need to do before you can get this free BNB is that you need to have Trust Wallet, an app, a Bitcoin, like a wallet for cryptocurrency, and you can get this wallet on Play Store or App Store. So what you'll be needing for this is a Trust Wallet. So I already downloaded the Trust Wallet. If you have a Play Store, you can go to your Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. This is App Store here. And if you want to search for Trust Wallet, this is how you search for Trust Wallet on App Store. So once you search for Trust Wallet, the next step is for you to open your Trust Wallet. Since I have this one downloaded, I'm just going to click on open. So after clicking on open, please make sure you follow this tutorial to the end, because right now, as you can see, I have up to 27 BNB, because you don't want to miss out on this trick. This is a cool, awesome trick. So I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step tutorial on how to claim this coin. So what you need to do first is you need to come to this section here and click on the plus sign. So after clicking on the plus sign, you want to click on there will be two options, because here you're going to either use your private and secure private keys to open your wallets. Either you create a new wallet, or you already have an old wallet. And in this Trust Wallet, you can keep all your assets in one place, and also keep your coins and NFTs in this Trust Wallet. So what you want to do is that you would not click on create a new wallet. You will click on I already have a wallet. So after clicking on I already have a wallet, you see this option here whereby you see multi-coin wallets, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain BNB, XRP, Stellar, Tron, Cosmo, whatever this is. So what you want to do is you want to come to this one that says BNB. After clicking on BNB, you change the name of the BNB coin to whatever name you want to give it. For now, I'm going to give it my wallet. So that's the name I'm going to give this wallet. You can give it whatever name you want to give it. So what you want to do next is that you want to come to the address section here, and you want to paste this link. So don't forget that I'll be leaving the link, this same link that you'll be copying into this address section, in the Telegram group, and the link to join the Telegram group is in the description section below. So sorry guys, that was a mistake. So you come here, you click on I already have a wallet, come to BNB, then you come to your address, you change the name of the wallet to my wallet. You can put any name you like, but me, I'm going to put my wallet. Then you're going to paste the address. So after pasting the address, all you have to do next is click on import. So after clicking on import, as you can see, it says your wallet was successfully imported, and now you can see the asset has already reflected on my wallet. So as you can see, you have 6 BNB, guys. 6 BNB. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit the post notification to get notified. So in the later on video, I'll be making another video on how we're going to withdraw this BNB. Hopefully we are going to withdraw it successfully. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you hit the post notification to get notified. I'm so grateful for my 392 subscribers. Thank you very much, and that is the end of today's video.